Teeth and gum problems? Try adding this to a glass of water before bed. Every human has a bioshield around their teeth, an invisible shield made of special minerals that covers your teeth, naturally protecting them. Breakthrough studies from top institutions show that this special shield is totally destroyed in every single person with dental problems. But recently, Harvard University scientists came together and discovered a shocking way to regenerate it. A strange 8-second nighttime ritual that can quickly help reclaim stronger, healthy teeth. This strange ritual doesn't require brushing your teeth, flossing until your gums bleed, or avoiding sugar, and can work no matter what age you are. It's so effective that you'll never have to step foot into a dentist office ever again. And now you can use the blue button below to discover the strange BioShield restoring ritual in the first 3 minutes of a powerful presentation, made especially for folks who are worried about their teeth and gum health. Already thousands of people are using this ritual to keep their teeth white and their gums healthy. This strange nighttime ritual has sent the greedy CEOs in the dental industry scrambling to protect their obscene profits. So I urge you to stop everything you're doing and watch a short free special video that, in the first 3 minutes, explains how this nighttime ritual can improve your teeth and gums.